Okay. Forward kami ha. Rainy day at Hawaii. So forward kami, forward. First day of training. May mate. Yo! Tom and Toms, let's go! Training for the day, easy ride lang. Nandito na kami sa Casili-Pila Bridge, kilometer 490 plus 583. So going to going to Lawag. Going to Lawag, ang lawak ng kalsada, almost 4 lanes. Going to Lawag. So ayan, tingnan natin yung pagka nag-turn left, di ba pagudpud yung diretso. Lawag pala, kakanan na yan, Pagudpud, going to Pagudpud na pala to. Lawak 2, 4 lanes, tapos may shoulder pa. Oops, sino yan? Pacquiao!
Strike din sa likod mo
So si Andre yan, Andre Domingo.
Kusina.
Yun. Very good. Pwede na. So going to Pagudpud na kami. Training for the day, April 22, Tuesday. Team Tom and Tom's Coffee, Philippines.
Hey, Coach!
Coach!
Ingat, Coach! Puto, lalaban Ayan sila Coach Toto. Ito nang yun, Turok Luzon. Kuhanan daw ng license. Sa may, Plaza del Norte. So yun, nakausap namin si Coach Toto. Tsaka yung One Cycling Mindanao nakita namin. Ayan, go! Time check, it's already 11:17. So time check, it's already 12 na, tanghali na. Pauwi na kami. So for today, day 1, papunta lang ng konti, 80 kilometers. Team Tom and Tom's Philippine Under 23. So yan, approaching Mangato Bridge. So mga siguro kami, mga last 10 to 15 siguro, bago yung pinaka-Paway Town proper. So time check, mag-alas 12 na. Tanghalit na pa tayo, tirik yung araw. So yan, bukas team presentation, and then first lap sa 24. Paway Baya Pagudpud. Yan, go Team Tom and Toms.